Medellin a couple days ago, and as we are having, what is it now, Tuesday I think, everybody's working here, all my friends are working, so I decided to go on another city tour here in Medellin. So this is the administrative downtown of Medellin. And this is the Justice building. Here we are at a downtown square where there used to be the local market. It's not anymore, but now they have put all those pillars up here, which all are lighting up at night. The reason that they did this change is because this place used to be for prostitution, drug lords, and really a messy place. And as the city here is very prospering and getting more modern and safer, they changed the square. This used to be the Palace of Justice. Has been taken over pretty much by the downtown vendors and is now like a local mall where you can buy some cheap stuff. So we are at the square where you can see a lot of sculptures from Botero. They're all made out of bronze, like this one. And actually when you touch the sculptures and rub it, they change the color. So now look where they put their hands. Just one of the many funny examples. So we're just walking through a little side street by a church, and here everything is fake. So pretty much for 2,000 pesos you can buy watches, sunglasses, and heaps of explicit porn. So these two birds here are a perfect sign of the history of Medellin. You see the one on the left that was actually bombed during a concert, and then they built a new one on the right side. This one here is the bombed one. And down here all the people that died during that day. And over here you can see the new one, which also means hope and transformation.
Okay?
Yeah, perfect. Okay.